In this lecture, we will learn how to download and install Istio and istioctl to work with the Istio Service Mesh. So first of all, we will open a web browser and we will search for install Istio. We will click on this link, getting started with Istio. So if we scroll down, so here this section describes how to set up Istio and istioctl to work with the Istio Service Mesh. So first of all, to download the latest release of Istio, we will execute this command. So let's copy this command. So we will open a terminal and we will execute this command to get the latest version of Istio. So it will download this version of Istio, and it may take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your internet connection. So now Istio was downloaded successfully. So if we execute the ls command, so here we have a new folder containing Istio and the istioctl tool. So now let's go back to the Istio documentation. And here it says that if we move to the Istio folder, so we should find these folders. We should have some sample applications in the samples folder, and the istioctl is available in the bin directory. So let's go back to the terminal and verify that. So if we execute ls followed by the Istio folder, so here we have the samples directory where we should have some sample application. So here we have different applications that we can use to test Istio. And we have also the bin folder. So if we execute ls istio/bin, so we find here the istioctl binary that we will use to install and work with Istio. So if we go back here to the Istio documentation, here it says that we should add the istioctl client to the path to be able to work with the istioctl tool. And we can do that using this command. So we will copy this command to add the istioctl client to the path. Okay. So let's first of all move to the Istio folder. And then we will execute this command to add the istioctl binary to the path. So now if we echo the path, so now the path was updated successfully. So now we can start executing So here we have the available commands that we can execute with the istioctl tool. So that's how we can set up Istio and istioctl to work with the Istio Service Mesh. In the upcoming lecture, we will learn how to install Istio in a Kubernetes cluster.